YouTubers and pressure washing cleaning industry. First into Australia, this hot 5000 psi 21 litre a minute machine, and I just wanted to run you through it and give you a good overview. Quite a large footprint. We're 1200 across the front and 1100 in depth. Genuine Honda engine. You can see currently set up quick change oil, so if you're not running a vacuum system, the sump is readily accessible by that remote oil access. The Honda engine in itself is mounted on quite a sturdy, I don't think it's 5mm and it's more than 3mm vibration isolator plate. So that's going to take a lot of the vibration and dampness out of running this particular system. Very large fuel tanks, so 50 litres of petrol, 50 litres of diesel. Easily accessible burner, so years down the track the servicing of the burner is going to be quite easy. We have Beckett in regards to fuel pump injection system for the burner, sealed battery, Anderson plug, and this particular system is belt driven. So it's not through a reduction gearbox, meaning that it is going to be a low speed system. So we're going to get low speed longevity of that particular pump. And what I've seen with my experience over the years, having a belt driven system, we're also not going to get the heat transfer from the engine to the pump. So it is a Comet pump, large pump, 50-50. So the long-term longevity of that particular system is going to be many, many years. The oil service of the pump too is also remote access and is set up currently like that. Currently just set up for one water inlet. We are going to change that. It's coming off a 1000 litre tank for this particular customer, so it'll be 2 water in. So the GX690 is variable RPM and it's up to the operator to manage that. It is a hot and cold system running at 5021 litres a minute. Does come with a variable tips. We'll key it up with dual answers, hose reels, surface cleaners and all alike. All the information on this particular system can be seen at ionicsystems.com.au under the pressure cleaning tab systems, and I am astonished at the price. Kitted up like this, the Grunt and Power and a hot water system at a remarkable price. So do check that out. Check out all the other videos under the pressure cleaning in different genres under our YouTube channel, which is Blue Tongue Industries. We'll catch you on the next video. Always recommended once you're finished to cool it down. So wind the temperature back. We're only running a short hose and I can feel the reduction in temperature already. It is a steel coil, so just cooling that down will preserve the life and get many years operating out of this magnificently tried gutsy hot water system. Catch you on the next video.